Hello to everybody, and today I'm reviewing Ninja Turtles, The Cosmic Ocean. So, this episode opens with Leonardo talking to the hologram version of Splinter. And Leo is feeling doubtful about if they could ever find the last few pieces of the black hole generator. And Splinter tells him to not feel doubtful, as he's got to do what he feels is right. But Leo just doesn't feel it. But the hologram ends. And it leads to, the other turtles and the future droid, April, Casey, to all talk about how Leo is not healthy for him to be talking to a hologram version of Splinter. And future droid basically just says it is basically Splinter, and then Raph's just like, oh, it's not the same thing. And he has a point, but the gang is on a new mission. They are heading to the Cosmic Ocean to find their next piece of the black hole generator. And I gotta say, the Cosmic Ocean actually looks very nice. It's like space in an ocean, basically. We see a bunch of electrical the life forms there. You see these electric things, which is cool. And yeah, you definitely feel the environment of how different and unique the planet looks. But they are greeted by the queen there, who is I don't know, she has these tentacle things, and you could definitely tell she's the leader. And she says the turtles have to go on a mission in order to prove they are worthy to get the black hole piece. And the turtles they're up for it, but they are soon apprehended by Armagon, who breaks into their ship, and he manages to take a hold at Leo. And they have to get this magic device from this gigantic. They gotta get past this creature who literally looks like a giant Sarlacc from Star Wars, and it leads to a big goose chase. And they're in this dark environment. And we do see some of the natives from the Cosmic Ocean. I think they're called the Dagons, I'm pretty sure. They look really cool. They have this sea creature vibe I get from their designs. They look very awesome. But as this is going on, Donnie tries to get Armagon to let go of Leo because they need him to command their next move. But Armagon decides to do it. But as things go about, I think they managed to take down Armagon, and they managed to get him captured. But they failed their mission of what at their task they were supposed to do in order to get the black hole piece. And this is where Leo starts to feel doubtful about this whole thing, since he really wants to get those pieces, but she feels they're not worthy. But it all gets interrupted by the return of Dreg, who has come out of the shadows, still wanting to collect and get revenge on the turtles. And he even sends his bug goons. And it leads to a big battle over what they need. And the turtles are doing their best to fight the various enemies. And I think what ends it all is Leo gets hit by one of the goons. I think Dreg, I'm pretty sure. And I think it causes the queen to actually use her tentacles to literally grab a hold of Armagon and Dreg. And they all fall into this. They're eaten by the creature from earlier. And the queen actually makes sure Leo's okay, and he says he is, but they somehow are able to finally get the second piece to the black hole generator. And they have to worry if they're going to have to replicate it and stuff. But it looks like their next move is that they're going to throw into this lava on this lava planet. That will be in a few episodes later. But yeah, I think this is the Cosmic Ocean. So it wasn't my favorite episode, but it was definitely enjoyable. It had some good action. It had some good memorable moments with Leo. It was nice to see Armagon and Dreg. And by the way, we thought they died in this episode, but no, they managed to survive. They managed to get out of the shark thing. Wait, no, the creature, and then they managed to fly away, and that's that episode. So yeah, I'd probably give this episode like a 7 out of 10. It was nice, like, finally progressing the story for sure. Yeah, and I don't know, I do like the cosmic ocean. It'd be cool if we saw other planets like it in this show. Like, this show, like, spent their time to explore each planets that they go on. It even looks more intense once they get to, like, the lava planet. But, yeah, that's that episode. I don't think I have much else to say, but, the next episode... Oh, yeah, I forgot to mention. Mikey was also having a vision. This is random note. I did like that part where Mikey had a vision of something. He saw, like, Ray Fillet. He was in the Mutant Mayhem movie and in the 80s show. So, yeah, it was a cool cameo, I guess. But as this is going on, we're finally at the big crossover episode, the episode I've been wanting to review since I've started this series of reviews. But that's your little hint. But anyway, thanks for watching, and Turtle Power.